Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today, you are watching the new video in the series on how to use Binance Futures for beginners. This is the fifth video. We have already covered 4 videos before this. What is Binance Futures? How to open an account? How to transfer funds? How to open a position? What is long? What is short? We explained all of these step by step. You are currently in a playlist series. In this video, we will look at this. How can we use stop loss in a position on Binance Futures? What is stop loss? How is it used? Or the exact opposite, what is Quran? How is it used? We will look into these. I will look at both long and short positions. I will explain both. Without wasting any time, let's get into our video. Welcome back to my video, friends. As you can see on my screen right now, Binance Futures is open. We will open a position on Binance Futures and look at both taking profit and stopping loss, also known as stop loss. In the market, this is also referred to as cutting a call. I will explain this. I bet you will understand step by step because I have explained the stop limit very well. Just type in how to use both Binance normal stop limit and Futures stop limit on YouTube. Even the videos I made years and years ago are still there. So far, everything is good. I will explain step by step. Some of you are not members of Binance. I mentioned that those who are not members of Binance can earn a 20% commission reward if they sign up using the link in the video description. And now we are moving on to the stop limit. Now, friends, first of all, I don't have an open position below. I will open a position. Let me open a position like this. I have $1,000 in Binance Futures and I opened a $200 position. Look, my position opened immediately. My entry price is $69,000. Okay, why do we need to use stop loss? I will explain the logic and then show it with an example. The logic of stop loss is as follows. Bitcoin is currently at $69,000. Everything is fine. But while I was sleeping at night, 2 countries went to war. And let's say Bitcoin dropped to $40,000 in that panic. In this case, I could lose a large portion of my money. And I said there is a support level. I did a technical analysis. There is a support level. If I use a stop unit at the support level, it will be slightly below it. Because after breaking the support, we expect it to drop to the next support level. Now, I drew a support line, used a stop limit below it, and it worked. My goal is this. I don't want to lose all of my $1,200. I want to lose $30, but save $170. This is the logic of the stop limit. We understood it well up to this point. Now my position is open, and I am going to set a stop limit because we already encounter even more drastic movements in futures trading. Now look below. It says Quran, stop loss, whatever the slash division is. Now it's on Z. Now I clicked on this. There are 2 options above. Friends, look above. There is a general stop loss, and next to it, there is a position-specific stop loss. There is a very simple difference between them. If I am going to close my entire position, I prefer to use the position profit and loss stop. But if I am not going to close all of it, for example, let's say I will close 50% of it. In that case, we select the option on the left side. Now, to make it clear, I will explain the entire position to you. First, because it will be simpler that way. Now, I have come to the stop loss section. If Bitcoin drops to $65,000, I will tell it to close my position. I clicked confirm, and I am confirming. Now my open order was 0. Look, it became 1. It said that I set a stop loss. And if the Bitcoin price drops to $65,000, close the position. Now in regular orders, we set it up like this. If it falls below 65,500, sell at 65,000. In futures, we can directly say this. If the price of Bitcoin reaches $65,000, we tell the indicator to close this position. So the question arises, why do I set it from the top limit instead of directly setting a limit sell order? Because if you sell at the limit, there is already someone who wants to buy Bitcoin. At $65,000, Binance will warn you, what are you doing? And you are selling at a loss. If you say yes, sell. The buyer is already ready and it will be sold immediately, but there is a condition for the stop limit. If the price reaches $65,000, sell at $64,900 or sell at $65,000. So if the price at which Bitcoin is currently being bought or sold reaches $65,000, sell, not right now. Sell if the market drops. This is the logic of using a stop limit. Now, and we set it to $65,000. Let's cancel this. I returned to my position again. I said take profit, stop loss again. And I came to the take profit, stop loss section of the position. You understood the stop loss part. Super. In the bag. Now I will explain the take profit part. Maybe you will use it all at once. By the way, the video you are currently watching is a reward video. Those who like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the pinned comment will have a chance to win 600 teraliters from us. Now friends, taking profit means this. The Bitcoin indicator price is somewhat similar to this limit sell. For example, if it reaches $80,000, sell and take my profit. Since it is an indicator price, there is a stop limit difference, and I said, if Bitcoin reaches $80,000, take my profit. Look, the estimated P&L here is 164.33. So, if I sell at this price, I will make a profit of $164. I can see this directly, and if Bitcoin drops to $65,000, the indicator price, sell at that price. And note that I had a $60 loss in P&L. It's minus 60 red. There's a confirm button below, friends. I clicked on it. I clicked on confirm again. Now look, I have two open orders. Why? Because I placed one order for an upward movement and one for a downward movement. I will sell when it goes up and make a profit. I will sell when it goes down and incur a loss. It may seem illogical, but I am actually stopping my loss. So yes, I will incur a loss, but at least I am limiting it. Now, this was a valid order type for this long position. I am cancelling both. I cancelled all, confirmed. Now I will close my position. Let's also place a downward order. In other words, let's open a short position. Let's also look at the stop loss and take profit sections for that. By the way, my position brought me good luck with a $0.50 profit, so I'm closing my position that earned me $0.50. Right now, friends, I clicked somewhere down here. And so I opened a $200 side position, my $220. Position was opened directly. Look, it became S, meaning I shorted. If Bitcoin is low, I will profit. You can think of it as not enjoying it, but profiting. I opened a $660 margin, which is big. I opened a $660 position. All right, that's settled. Now we will look at taking profit and stopping loss again. For example, look, there's a close option on the right. I can click on close and directly close my position at the current level. But I am setting some conditions. Stop. I am setting the condition. We call this a stop. I clicked on take profit and stop loss. Now let me show you the step-by-step part here. The same logic applies. Now let me show you from your position. First, now take the profit. This time we will choose a price below. If Bitcoin drops to $63,000, I'll make a profit of $292. Take my profit. Where is the loss? If the Bitcoin price goes up, I will incur a loss because I opened a short position. And I said that if Bitcoin reaches $71,000, I have set my stop loss. I am only losing $91. If I press confirm, my orders will be opened again. But this time, let me show you how to do it, step by step. I will either enter at a higher level or a lower level when entering step by step. And I will say, if Bitcoin falls below $63,000, sell my asset when the price reaches $62,500, but not all of it. How much of it? 50%. Just like we mentioned with the indicator price earlier, similar logic. But here is a stock condition. If it falls below $63,000, I said to sell it at $62,500. Here, and don't sell all of it, sell 50% of it. Now, what did I say? If it reaches $63,000, sell at $63,000. The same conditions apply, but here, my sales target and condition target are separate. The position was the same in Karan, and I confirm my order. I am confirming it again. Look, my open order has been placed here. If the price falls below $63,000, I will close my position at $62,500 and make a profit. Take profit, stop loss on Binance Futures. You must have completely understood the logic. Sometimes there are people who don't understand stop limit. I hope that in this video, you have also understood the stop limit. I am carefully creating an educational series for you. You can support us as well. You can support us by liking the video and sharing it with your friends. Your friends who are curious about futures trading might be interested. This training series is for beginners. You can share the link to this series with them, friends. You are currently on the 5th video of the series, so no leaving. You can click on the 6th video on the end screen, or find it in the video description. What is the Pondum fee? How can you make money from commission fees? I will explain these. I will show you how to zero out the link fee using a tactic in Featured. On Binance Featured, you can do copy trade or use a bot. We are trying to make a profit from here. There are also places we import from, and I will explain this and how do you reduce your risk. We have many more videos on these topics. See you in the next video. Goodbye.